Canceling Verizon Fios Internet in 2025 is straightforward, emphasizing online self-service. The key is understanding your contract and following the official process to avoid fees and ensure a smooth disconnection. First, log into your My Verizon account to check your service agreement for any early termination fees, ETFs, which are now standardized at $10 per month remaining on most contracts. Then, use the Verizon website or My Verizon app to access the cancellation portal, available 24/7. You'll need to verify your account to prevent fraud. Provide your reason for canceling, such as moving or switching providers, and confirm the effective cancellation date. If you prefer, phone support is available at 1-800-VERIZON for complex situations, but online cancellations often waive administrative fees. Always get written confirmation of your cancellation to protect against potential disputes. After initiating cancellation, the most crucial step is returning your Verizon equipment. Fios requires returning routers, modems, and set-top boxes. Verizon will provide prepaid labels for shipping. Failure to return equipment can result in charges up to $500 per item, so document the return process with tracking numbers. Once you've returned the equipment, ensure all services are disconnected to prevent unauthorized access. Request a final bill and monitor your account for 30 days to catch any discrepancies. Also, change passwords for any linked accounts. If you're unsatisfied with Verizon, consider exploring retention incentives they may offer, such as discounted plans. Remember, cancellations are usually effective at the end of your billing cycle. By using official channels and keeping records, you can ensure a safe and hassle-free cancellation.